In this video, I'll show you how to use a USB cable to set up the Brother Work Smart MFC-J1360DW printer. This way you will not have to rely on any Wi-Fi network. Now, this cable doesn't come included in the box with the printer, unfortunately. So I'll put a link towards Amazon if you want to get one from there. I'll use a PC computer, but what I'll show you next also works with a Mac. So take your cable, and one end will be this printer connector. It looks like that. On this Brother printer, the printer USB port is located on the left, right over here. Let me turn it around a bit more. So take your cable and you're gonna simply connect it over here like that. Take your other cable and now it's time to connect it to your computer, PC or Mac. On a PC, what you need to do at this point is to open any files that you wish to print. So I'll go in this folder and find a document over here. Then you're going to press the printer icon. When this print window appears, you're going to go over here where it says printer, click, and usually by default, you should see your Brother printer appearing in this list without you having to install anything, without you having to click anything else, okay? It's as easy as it is. Simply click on your Brother printer, make sure you select the number of copies, stuff of this nature, press print, and the print will be sent over here, extend the output, and it will come out. Now, if you are not able to do so, you may have to install manually the printer driver on your computer, and I'll show you how it is done. Oh, by the way, here is my print that just came out. So if you need to install your Brother's printer driver directly on your computer because it didn't do it automatically, simply open any web browser and go on google.com. Then all you have to type is the name of your printer, so Brother MFC-J1360DW, and at the end simply type driver. Press enter and one of the first options over here should be from the official Brother website. As you see, this is Brother USA, many different official Brother websites. Don't download any driver from weird sources. Go directly to the official one. So I'll click on the first link over here. And now simply select which kind of operating system you have, Windows, Mac, Linux. All right, I have a Windows, and then select what kind of Windows you have. In my case, it's Windows 11. Press OK. Go down, and you should see Easy Setup. Go ahead, click on Easy Setup. Go down. Select Agree over here, click on this button, and the download will start. Go ahead, open the file that you downloaded, press Yes. Yes. You can close the web browser. Select your language over here, press Next. Select I accept, and you can uncheck Send Information and press Next. Now it's time to type the name of our printer. Don't type MFC, simply go ahead and type J1360, and you're going to see over here your name, so you can click on it and press Next. Here you'll be asked to log in into your Brother account. Don't worry, if you don't want to make one, don't panic, just click on the top right corner. They have hidden the skip button. Over here you're going to select wired network if you're trying to connect your printer using USB, or if you want to use the Wi-Fi instead, well, you're going to select Wi-Fi network. I'll select USB because this is what I'm trying to do. Press Next. They'll tell you to connect the printer, which I already did. Your printer will appear. Make sure that it's the one selected in the color blue. And I'm going to press next. And over here, you're going to select drivers and software. This is what we want. Press next and wait. Then once you see installation complete, you're going to press the OK button. And finally, you're going to get the information that the setup is complete. So press close. And this is about it. You may have a website that will open, redirecting you to the Brother website. You simply have to close this down. It's not important. And now you'll be able to print using your printer and your computer. So this is about it. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, leave a like, but also comment down below. Tell me it was useful or tell me it wasn't useful. No matter what, leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks again.